Hello students, today we'll see the nomenclature of ketones. So first of all, what are ketones? Ketones are organic compound which are represented by R C double bond O R dash and which has dash C double bond O dash as a functional group are called as ketones. Now we are going to see the common and IUPAC names of the ketones. So for writing the common name, first you have to identify the alkyl group on both sides of the carbonyl group. Here both alkyl groups are methyl, so I will write it as a dimethyl. And at the end you have to write the word ketone. Similarly, here we are having two alkyl groups. This alkyl group is ethyl, this is the methyl. So alphabetically ethyl will come first. So the name of the ketone will become ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Remember, this is an example of symmetrical ketone because both alkyl groups attached to carbonyl carbon are same. This is the example of mixed ketone because both alkyl groups attached to carbonyl carbon are different. Again, this is the mixed ketone. This is a methyl, this is a N-propyl. So we will write the name of this ketone as methyl N-propyl ketone. Methyl N-propyl ketone is the correct name. Similarly, these two are the isopropyl groups. Again, it is the symmetrical or simple ketone. So I will call it as a diisopropyl ketone. Diisopropyl ketone. Now the next ketone, remember the carbon atom next to alpha carbon in common name is called as alpha. Carbon atom of the functional group next to that whatever carbon atoms we are having, it is called as alpha. Next beta, gamma and so on. So at alpha position I am having methyl, so I will write its name as alpha methyl. And this compound is a cyclohexanone, so it will be alpha methyl cyclohexanone. Now this has a special name which is called as mesithyl oxide. This compound is a mesithyl oxide. Here both are the phenyl group. It is a symmetrical ketone, so I will call it as a diphenyl ketone. Or in common name, it is also called as benzophenone. Benzophenone. What is the meaning of phenone? Benzene with C double bond O is called as phenone, and this is a benzene ring. That's why it will become benzophenone. Now here one group is ethyl, other group is a phenyl. So alphabetically I will write it as a ethyl phenyl ketone. It is again the example of mixed type of ketone. So that's all about the common names of the ketone. Now we'll see the IUPAC name of the ketone. So for writing the IUPAC name, you are going to select longest carbon chain. Then you are going to number them in a such a way that carbonyl carbon of the ketone will get the lowest possible number. So I will start numbering from the left hand or right hand, doesn't matter here. Again, this is the longest carbon chain. I will start numbering from left hand side because from left hand side carbonyl carbon will appear at the second position. Again, this is the longest chain. I will start numbering from left hand side because from again left hand side I will get carbonyl carbon at the second position. This is the longest chain. These are the substituents. Numbering can be done either from left or right hand side because it is symmetrical ketone. So in that case it doesn't matter. Here this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. Cyclic compound always has ketonic carbon as a number 1. Now this is the longest chain, this is a substituent. I told you ketonic carbon should get lowest possible number. So I have started the numbering from the right hand side. Here the molecule has the same name as a IUPAC name. Common name and IUPAC name of this molecule is same. In IUPAC name, it is also called as benzophenone. So don't bother about this example. In this case, this is the longest chain. Numbering should be done in a such a way that ketonic carbon will get lowest possible number. So this is the way of numbering here. So in this case, this will be the substituent. So we will write the IUPAC name now. Total 3 carbon atom are there. So I will write it as a propane. I am going to replace E of alkane by ONE. This ONE came from the ketone. The last 3 words will be used for writing the name of ketone, that is on. So replace E of alkane by on. Here you may write it as a propan-2-on. It won't matter. Propanone and propan-2-on are one and same. Now in this case, total 4 carbon atoms I'm having. 4 carbon wala alkane is a butane. So replace E of alkane by ONE. So it will become butanone. Or butan-2-on is also fine. Here total how many carbon atoms I'm having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon means it is pentane, no doubt. But at the second position I'm having ketonic group, so I will write it as a pentan-2-on. Here we need to mention the number because double bond O may be appear at the third carbon or the second carbon. So I have to explicitly mention the number of the carbon atom to which double bond O is attached. Here I am having 2-methyl group as a substituent. So as per rule, I will write the name of substituent first. So at 2 and 4 position, I am having 2-methyl group. So it is 2, 4 dimethyl. Now longest chain contain total 5 carbon atom. So no doubt parent alkane is a pentane. Ketonic group appears at the third position. So pentan-3-on. Alkane E has been replaced by ONE. But here we have mentioned the number of carbon atom to which double bond O is attached. Here again substituent appears at the fourth position and that substituent is a methyl. So I will write here as a 4-methyl. Longest chain total contain 5 carbon atom, but it is not alkane now. Since we are having double bond here, double bond appears at the 3 positions. So the name will become alkene, pent, 4-methyl, pent, 3-ene. Since ketonic group is present at the 2 position, so it will be 2-on. Here I have mentioned the position of double bond as well as a 3-ene because double bond have been started at carbon number 3. Now this compound I told it has a similar name. Now look at this compound. This compound has IUPAC name as 2-methyl. At 2 position I am having methyl. So the 2-methyl, the compound is a cyclohexanone. 2-methyl cyclohexanone is the correct IUPAC name of this compound. Now look at here. I'm having this as the longest carbon chain. At first position I'm having phenyl group. So the name of this compound, here I'm writing the name of this compound to this side now. It is appear at the first position, so I will write here as a 1-phenyl. Total 3 carbon atoms are there in the longest chain. 3 carbon wala alkane we are having as a propane. Replace E by ONE. So propan. Since double bond O appears at the first carbon, so I will write propan-1-on. So that's all about the IUPAC name of the ketones. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care.